Mooring operations is an important task to be carried out when berthing. Conventionally, many vessels have very strong mooring lines to ensure it won't break in extreme condition. In latest MEG4 by OCIMF, mooring lines LDBF shall be 100% to 105% of ship design MBL to protect the mooring equipment. Break of mooring winch should be the weakest component during mooring operation. It acts as crucial safety device in the overall configuration. It shall protect the mooring lines from breaking and render at 60% of ship design MBL. MORDEC brake test kit provides solutions to carry out brake testing on board the vessel. It simulates a force to push the winch drum by means of hydraulic cylinder jack. Jacking arm. Pressure gauge. Hydraulic cylinder jack. Hydraulic hand pump with calibrated gauge. High pressure hose. Jacking arm setup. Jacking arm setup completed. Hydraulic pump with gauge setup. Testing of brake holding capacity. Testing of brake rendering capacity. Marking position at 60% of ship design MBL. MORDEC brake test kit. Easy to use. One person to install and operate. No need for conversion. Fits standard mooring winch drum.